Just like in our homes made of sticks and bricks, this air conditioner has a filter that needs to be cleaned or replaced periodically. You might have a filter that can be removed and rinsed off with water so you can use it again. Others have an inexpensive type of foam material that can simply be replaced and is easily sourced online or at big box stores. Check the filter once a month during warm weather season. Here is a pro tip about your air conditioner controls or thermostat. On the wall-mounted thermostat, once you've selected air conditioner or cool setting and entered the desired temperature, make sure that you also select the fan speed to remain on high. This will maximize airflow and keep those evaporator coils from icing over. The quickest way to cool down the RV is by using the air dump feature on the overhead interior control panel. Keep that one wide open and the individual vents closed to help it cool down faster. Then, once you're ready to use the individual ducted vents or registers in the ceiling of the RV, keep those open to allow for maximum airflow. Use the thermostat to control the temperature instead of closing those individual vents off in various places. It is recommended to have annual servicing of your air conditioner to clean the condenser and evaporator coils, test the compressor and capacitor, and check for airflow issues, also known as short cycling. You can call a certified RV technician for this service or take the home study course to learn how to do this on your own air conditioner.